Today we're going to be doing a soap. It's kind of a rebatch, but we're not really melting down our pieces here. When I made my first loaf of the gemstone soap, I had cut like 4 bars crooked. I think it was maybe one of my first videos. I was just cutting away. So what we're going to do today is we took and cut them down smaller, and we're going to put a dark purple. It's Mystic Purple Moon mica powder from Crafter's Choice. It's one of the newer ones. And so I'm going to go ahead and add that into my soap. I'm going to mix that real good. I don't know if it's going to be the same shade. I tried to go darker. I could probably get a little more mica out of it. Cool our soap down a bit though. I'll go ahead and give it a try. And then I am using Black Raspberry Vanilla fragrance oil. So we'll put that in. That was almost empty. Mix that real good. Smells good. Wondering if I should pick out some of these purple pieces, if they're going to blend in, or just let it all go in. Maybe I could pick out the plain purple. Oh, it don't matter. Okay. Well, so I'm going to move this up here so you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to pour a small, thin layer. Just spritz it. You can let it set up. You really don't need to. I'm going to completely fill this, but we'll let it set just a little bit. I'll pick out some of the purple so we don't have so much. Spritz this and mix our soap. Make sure we're still good here. And then we're going to just fill this up. I'll probably do it in a couple different layers. You're always wondering, am I going to have too much or not enough? But I think we're going to have way plenty here. Okay, I've got quite a few in there. So I'm going to pour my soap really slow. They're all spritzed because I don't want to have any holes in it. I may have to melt some more base color. So I'm hoping this is seeping in between each one, so we don't leave any extra gaps. ahead and spritz it. Them chunks are pretty big. I'm going to keep the smaller ones on the top. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pour this. I don't know if it helps or not, but fine with that. And then I wanted some of the smaller ones. There's not a whole lot of small ones. Of course, I like pink. Everything is always pink. Oops. Okay. It look like it's lacking some spots. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, we've got our soap melted down, and I'm gonna spritz it one more time. We'll pour the final soap to hold it in. I'm not going to really fill it all in. I'm going to leave some of them sticking up. I just want to get those few on the bottom to stick in there. think I'm gonna quit. Our black raspberry vanilla soap is set up, so we're going to cut it. Okay. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.